Hello guys, welcome to Technology Master. This is Ravi, your host. So today we are going to answer some questions which is frequently asked by our users. So here is the first question. So the first question is asked by Mr. Bhavin Patel. So his question is how to lock individual applications in Oppo F1s. So here is the phone, Oppo F1s. So I'm going to show you how to lock individual application in Oppo F1s. Firstly, you get a icon here, security center. You need to open this. So you get a three option: clean and accelerate, privacy permission, or virus scan. If you want to lock individual application, you need to open privacy permission. So here is the first option, app encryption. So you need to open this. So you have to set a password, like I set a 1234 default password. This is a green, it means that this is applications are already logged. So I'll switch off this. So now you want to individual lock like files, your messages, your Facebook, or your photos. So just get on a home screen. So now you find your photos is logged by your set password 1234, or your browser or your file or your Facebook is locked now. So now you get another encryption, like if you want to set a pattern password. So again you have to go to security center, privacy permission, app encryption, set your password. So you get one icon over here. This is called a setting. You need to open this, change the password or modify the security question. So change the password. So now you want to draw a password like a pattern or a numerical or a complex, simple or closed password. So I already use a simple password. Now I want to use my complex password. So here you can use your complex password. So this is a inbuilt app in an Oppo F1s. You no need to download any app locker. You just use this security center. So the next question is asked by Anorama. This question is like how to make a video call or a voice call from Jio. You need to download a MyJio app from a Play Store. You need to check out this screenshot. So on the right downside there is a 4G voice call option. You can get two options, either a video call or a voice call. So you can easily use this application. So guys, the next question, the third question is like how to set a multiple fingerprint unlock or lock in your Oppo F1s or F1s Special Edition or F1 Plus. So here is a F1s model. So as I already registered my finger to unlock this phone like this. So you want to register, or you can register your 5 fingers for your different applications. So you need to go to setting. Here is the option fingerprint and password. So I click this, I draw my default password. So here you get add a fingerprint, as 2 fingers already added. So I delete all fingers firstly. So you can delete the fingerprint here, delete the fingerprint here. So now there is no fingerprint registered on this device. So now add a fingerprint. I want to use my thumb. So here I set my thumb print on F1s. So you need to draw from all side of your thumb. So it's done. Continue. So now if you want to rename, I want to rename it to Ravi. So on a second you get a shortcut operation or add a shortcut. So like click this. So there is a 3 option: none, call or set an app. if you want to make a call via your thumb, so you need to select this call. It's like Oppo India, so you need to select this here, save. So now I'm going to call to Oppo India, so I need to press via thumb like this, it will automatically call, but now it's unable to call because there is no SIM card in this phone. So now I want to edit this fingerprint, so now again you click on this, there is a call Oppo India. If like I want to unlock my camera via thumb, so I just select camera here, save, lock. So now your phone is locked. Now I want to open my camera very fast, so you need to use your thumb like this, just press it, it will automatically open your back camera. Okay, so now I want to edit my thumb. Go to setting, fingerprint and password, set, draw your password. So now I want to add more finger, so I add this finger. You need to draw all prints on your finger. Continue. There is a cut mark on my finger, that's why. So continue. So now I want to add a shortcut on this finger, so I don't want to open any app or any call, so I just select none, save. So now if I want to unlock my device, I need to press from this, so it will automatically unlock. If I want to open my camera, I need to press from my thumb like this, it will open my camera. So this type you can add 3 more fingers to your device. So guys, in previous I already told about fingerprints, how to set individual finger for your application, unlock or call or open any app. So now there is another feature in Oppo F1s. This is called a gesture and motions. So that is called the off-screen gesture. How to set, remove or modify. So I'll show you. Here is the phone. So like there is no off-screen gesture set right now. So firstly I need to set. So you go to setting, there is the option gestures and motion. So here you see off-screen gesture. So here is in last option, it's add a screen of gesture. So now draw upside B. It's like I need to set this gesture for start an app. Like you can choose anything. So I select contact for this option, add a screen. If I slide down, I want to unlock my phone. If I slide right, I want to call to Oppo India. Okay. If I draw M, so it will automatically open your Gmail. If I select W, start an app, I want to open my files. So now there is some gesture set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 gesture sets. So now if I want to launch my contact, so I'll use this. It automatically open my contact because it's locked, so I use my fingerprint. So if I draw M on off screen, this is open my Gmail. If I draw W, it will open my contact. So now I want to modify some gesture. So you need to draw from corner to left side like this. If you want to modify this or delete, so I want to delete my all off screen gesture. So guys, the next question is how to get a logo on your Oppo A37. So here is the phone. So as I already use my Jio SIM in this phone, so I don't have any notification open here. So is this a Jio or a 4G or a VoLTE? So now I want a logo over here. You need to go to settings. There is an option like notification and a status bar. You need to click on this. So you get on a fourth option like carrier info. It's like hide all. So I want logo, display operator logo. So I want my logo over here. So you easily see my Jio logo is over here. So guys, in my opinion, I think I answered all the questions which is asked by our users. If I miss any question, please do comment and please do subscribe. So guys, the another question is, someone asked me like logo नहीं आ रहे हैं.
आज साला यही